Hello, I'm Jack at Downs Autos, and this is another Ford Ranger Wildtrak Custom Design that's currently in stock. This particular range is in the black. It's got the Raptor kit, as you can see on it, so it really stands out from your standard Wildtrak. You've also got a couple of nice extra features on it, so I'm going to go around and point these out to you. One of the features is the electric roller shutter, and when we go around the rear I'll show you how that operates. So let's start at the front end view here. So this is, as I say, it's got the Raptor kit on it, so you've got the Ford lettering on the front grille. We can put a bonnet scoop on for you, so if you want to see what a bonnet scoop looks like, just click through to the website and you'll see vehicles with examples of bonnet scoops. So if you want one, we can add that. Down the bottom you've got the lower bumper bar as well. You've got the wide wheel arch kit. It's got 20-inch alloys with brand new all-terrain tyres. Inside you've got the full leather interior with the Wildtrak embossing on the seats. You've got the sat-nav, touchscreen sat-nav as well, so it's very car-like inside. Coming around to the rear you can see that roller cover I mentioned to you, so that's the electric roller cover, a nice big upgrade over your standard manual cover. So on the back it's got nice sleek lines, no handle on it, so you operate it in three ways. So you've got a button here, push that once and the roller cover will power open. If I push it again it will stop at any position I want it, push it for a third time and then it will close up completely. So you've got controllability where you want that to open or stop. You can control it on that button I've just shown you. You've got a button on the dashboard or you've got a button on the key fob. So there's three different ways to operate that. It's got the Ford tow bar as well. While we're on the rear, I might mention to you, you've got that rear camera as well. So you've got front and rear parking sensors and a rear camera. You've got the front and rear light covers. We can add window deflectors on top of the windows, give it a nice sleek look. So if you click through to the website, you'll see some vehicles with window deflectors. If you want those, we can add those free of charge. Background to the front end view, my favourite view of the vehicles. I think they've got a nice aggressive stance on the road. You get front and rear light covers. Being the Wildtrak, this has got the xenon lights, so you've got the brighter front lights. It's the 2-litre twin turbo, which means you get the 10-speed auto box on these models. It's got keyless entry, keyless start. It's the key can stay in your pocket and the engine starts and unlocks. Adjustment on the seats, auto lights, auto wipers. If we get inside here, you can see the mileage is 13,703. You've got a number of safety features on the Ranger, so on the Wildtrak. So you've got lane keeping. Let's zoom in there. Lane keeping, pre-collision warning, speed limiter, traffic sign recognition, which is quite good, and the tyre pressure monitoring system. So, and you can have the standard display mode as well. On the left you've got navigation, but you can change that to have your phone or entertainment as well. That's your sat-nav screen, rear camera, front and rear sensors, touch screen as I said earlier, so it's all very car-like. You've got DAB radio as well as Bluetooth, and you have ambient lighting, so you can change the ambient lighting on the vehicle. You've also got Apple CarPlay as well, so lots of customization that you can make on the vehicle. Heated seats for the driver and passenger, air conditioning, 10-speed auto. You can change the gears yourself. You've got sport mode, you've got standard drive, automatic mode, you've got 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and low gear ratio, diff lock, hill descent assist as well. So lots and lots of features on the vehicle. Cruise control with speed limiter. That's the button to open the power roller cover on the rear. Tinted rear windows come and stand on the Wildtrak. Plug socket in the centre. ISOFIX points as well. Armrest with cup holder. So that's the Ford Ranger Wildtrak. I've got a number of others in stock, so feel free to give me a call, find out what's in stock, what's coming in. My name's Jack at Downs Autos. Thank you very much for watching the video.